girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. You know like me.
You know who it is, everybody. I'm back once again with another hair tutorial. This one is gonna be super quick and super easy. Today I'm showing you a wig I received from UNice. This is one of their V-part wigs. If you've been here for a while, then you know I was gonna say I recently gave birth. My son is 17 months, almost 18 months old. So I've been a mom for a while, but ever since like first trimester of pregnancy, I have been a wreck, okay? I've been looking a hot mess. So lately I've been trying to find every quick and easy way to keep my hair done so I'm not looking too bummy, okay? So I can get back to myself and feeling good. All my moms out there probably know what I'm talking about. So yes, this wig is a great option for that. And without further ado, here's how you install it. All right, so let's get into this packaging. So I'm pulling the box out of this nice satin bag. It's cute, and as you can see, the box is pretty much busting at the seams. That's how thick this wig is. So with the wig, I have this card, which has like a little information postcard in it. We have a wig cap, these really dramatic lashes, and these press-on nails, and this headband. So they include some little goodies in there along with the wig. Gotta do the smell test on the wigs. Y'all know how that be. But this does not have a strong odor to it. It actually just smells like packaging, really. This unit is UNice's 24-inch Jerry curl, and it is 200% density. And if you're catching this video early, good news for you. They are currently having a Black Friday sale, and all the details are in my description box below. And this hair, like I said, this hair is like pretty thick, and it's thick all the way down, which can sometimes be kind of hard to come by. On the inside of this cap, we have one comb in the back. We also have a small adjustable band in the back. Then we have this thicker band. Honestly, my head is big enough to fill this thing. I don't really need that band, but it's there if you do. Then we have the combs at the temples. We have one wig clip in the middle, kind of behind the parts, and then we have 4 around the actual V part. And here's a close-up of that part. It's pretty much a lace at the part, and once we tease it up, it's gonna look nice and seamless. All right, so first things first, I did co-wash this wig. So at this point, I already have the conditioner in there, so I'm just gonna brush it through and rinse it out. I actually had to run to the store to buy mousse for this wig, but I ended up not even using it. As you can see, the curls stayed in place. I just let it air dry overnight, and the next day, the curls were pretty much the same. Like, there was no frizz or anything. They held their definition really well. My hair is somewhat freshly washed, and I have my 2 cornrows. Nothing fancy. You honestly could just slick your hair back into a ponytail and braid that up. But I didn't want to try to tackle that with my hair. Let's not even get into it. I just did 2 braids because it was easiest for me. So we're going to take the wig. I'm going to stick the comb in the back into the nape of my neck. Not into the nape of my neck, but you know, in that area. And then I'm going to place the 4 clips in the front. I'm honestly not using that 5th clip that's behind the part at all. You can if you want to, but I find it's not necessary. It might actually help though. It might help to like relieve some of the tension from the 4 clips in the front. So maybe you should use it. I didn't. And I'm just clipping as close as possible to my natural part. You may have to like replace it. Please excuse my ashy knuckles. Oh my gosh. It's wintertime on the East Coast. My body, I'm not even gonna get into all that. But anyway, but yeah, you may have to like redo the clips a few times to get it exactly where you want. Honestly, if I did cornrows closer, like smaller cornrows closer to my part, I probably would have given my wig better grip and it would be less likely to slide. It held pretty well, but I could feel the tension, and I do think it'll be better for your hair overall if you have cornrows closer to the part. But I didn't do that, so here we are. Now I'm putting the combs in at the temples to make sure the wig doesn't slide back. Next, I am taking a sliver of hair from each side of the part, and I'm going to tease up the roots. Just like this. So we're just back combing right up at the root. And then I'm just gonna smooth down any any flyaways at the top that result from the teasing. I don't want it to be too frizzy. And from here, I'm just gonna lightly finger detangle and just pull the curls apart to give them a more natural look. I love this wig, y'all. I love these curls, and they're holding up so well. I didn't put any, did I put any product? I didn't put any product on this hair. That's so crazy. But you can't, like, looking at it, you would think it has something on it, but it doesn't. All I did was co-wash it, air dried it, and these curls are popping. I haven't done anything to define these curls. And look how full it is. With that being said, this is my final look. Like I said, super easy and super quick. And that's all I have for you guys today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the description box below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you don't miss my next video. And until then, peace.